This is your explanation for assignment 11.1, analysis of children's nursery rhymes. So this is a fun assignment and it's intended to be fun. You're going to be exploring the nursery rhymes in the given link. You can click on the different letters, and when you click on the letters, there's going to be lots of different nursery rhymes that you can find here. Okay, so I want you to have fun with this. Enjoy, read, have fun with this, and then find a couple of different examples of some different aspects of nursery rhymes here, okay? I want you to find one that teaches a lesson or gives instruction. I want you to find one with fun nonsense words. I want you to find one with either onomatopoeia or alliteration. And I want you to find one that is a bit horrifying or scary. Okay, so I want you to find examples of those four different things. And then you're going to comment on those excerpts that you've provided. You're going to explain how it fits in, how um, your example fits with the required trait on the far left column. And then you're going to tell what else you notice or like about it, and finally state why it might be fitting or appealing to children, or maybe perhaps why it isn't. Okay, so you'll make sure that you fully explain these things. This shouldn't be done in like one or two sentences. This is a senior level course. I should see some explanation. But if you have any questions at all as you're going through this, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much and have a good day.